Hi, this is Fernanda from Mexico. I'm a biotech engineer and an MBA with over 5 years of experience, of which 4 have been in pharma. I started my career in Sanofi and Merck. Then I joined Accenture as a consultant, where I worked across different industries, clients, and functions. I wanted to upskill myself, and that's why 6 years ago I moved to Barcelona to start my MBA at TSA Business School. Later, I joined Diaceutics, a data and consulting company focused on precision medicine in oncology. As a strategy consultant, I led projects going from strategy to market assessments. I also supported business development, including proposals for Novartis assets Belacarsen and Zolgensma. This one became a full project with a team in Australia. I believe that my profile aligns with the ULEAD program because I have a good understanding of that industry since I've worked with and in pharma. I've also developed in a fast-paced environment, which I think is going to help me better adapt and contribute to the team. My long-term goal is to keep contributing to the healthcare space, not only because I find how drug work very fascinating, for instance with gene therapies or radiopharmaceuticals, but also because I seek a purpose in what I do. I've been working in different industries, going from banking to mining. However, it's been in pharma where I felt the happiest, as it's easy to see how what I do can help improve people's lives. And that's exciting about the ULEAD program. It's a great platform to bring value to Novartis while also making a real impact on patients. And the different rotations help, one, gain a deep understanding of the different business units, two, gain a holistic view of the business, and three, build a network across Novartis. And I believe that by bringing all of this together, it helps a leader make better and more informed decisions. And I'm looking forward to developing as a leader who empowers teams. I resonate with Novartis' mission of reimagining medicine to improve and extend people's lives. As I mentioned, I look for purpose in what I do, and the value of inspiring and being inspired by others motivates me to contribute to that mission. I'm also a curious person who enjoys learning new things. For instance, recently I learned about the positive results of Pluvicto's PSMA addition trial, which highlights how earlier treatments can make a real difference for prostate cancer patients. Regarding Unbossed, speaking to people at Novartis helped me understand what this truly means. It's being trusted with accountability and ownership. And then to me, integrity is like an internal compass that guides you to do what's right, especially in complex situations. Through these values and through this program, I hope to bring my experience to Novartis, as well as my data-driven mindset and scientific understanding to help solve challenges and bring patients closer to innovative medicine. As a consultant in Diaceutics, I led a project for a biotech client who wanted to have a deep understanding of pharmacogenomics, a topic that was new to them and also to us. There was a tight deadline, and there were no previous projects that I could reference. So I had to start from scratch. I had to define a structure, align with the client on the right framework, and guide the research and data analyst on what to look for. In the end, we were able to deliver a timely and comprehensive report that the client said was exactly what they were looking for. In this experience, I had to adapt to uncertainty. I had to quickly learn a new field. I had to translate complex information to clear insights, and I had to keep the team engaged, especially around the holidays. However, looking back, I think I could have delegated more instead of taking on too much myself, as the key for effective leadership is to trust others with ownership. In 5 years, I see myself specializing and taking on a role within one of Novartis' business units or therapeutic areas, maybe in brand management, market access, oncology, where I can apply my background as well as the experience gained in the program in order to drive high impact strategies. The kind of leader that I aspire to be is someone that combines on one side expertise and clear communication, and on the other, trust and empowerment, just like the leaders who supported my own growth. And I find in the ULEAD program the perfect foundation for this, as it offers exposure to different kinds of people and therefore to diverse ways of working and challenges, all of which would help me grow into a leader that lives the Novartis purpose and makes things happen.